welcome back to another video. Just a short, sweet, quick one. Before we start, guys, look what I'm eating. Galaxy cookie crumble. Oh my gosh, if you haven't tried these, you need to try them. Oh my gosh. Excuse me, they are to die for. So nice. Anyway, I've got a little tiny bit of Charlie's haul. It's not a haul, but I get embarrassed to say. If you want to know what it is, I'll leave it in the description box. Right, I'm going to start with these decals. These are Easter ones. Look at them. How adorable are they? When I first seen these, I thought they remind me of, you know, a kid's colouring in book. They're so cute. If I was to use them, I probably will. I'd probably colour them in, I would. So cute. Can't see them, hang on. I like these eggs along the bottom, just these plain eggs. I like them. Cute. I like this rabbit. Cute. And then there's this one. This is more of a, I don't know how to describe it, but it's got your Easter bunnies, flowers, little Easter baskets with the eggs in. Let me try and show you them. There, you can see a bit better. Kind of traditional, would you say? I don't know. But they're cute as well. Right, also for Easter, I'm going to have to tip some of this out so I can show you. Right, so this is called Spring Awakening. This is one of Charlie's Easter glitters. And this is only available at Charlie's Nail Art. So this is one of Charlie's mixed glitters, I think you call them. So let's have a look what's in it. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's got iridescent green fine. And we've got little bunny rabbits. Can you see the bunny rabbits? It's got like holographic green hexes. Iridescent green hexes. Look at that sparkle. Oh, it's got love hearts. Oh no, it's a flower. It's got flowers. Shoot, it's got hearts. Yeah, there's a heart. Where's it gone, that heart? No, that's a flower. I thought it had hearts in it as well. It hasn't, I don't think. Yeah, it has got hearts. Look, there's one. There. It's quite a cute mix, that, isn't it? I like these bunny rabbits. Sparkly. So there's that one. What's that one called again? Spring Awakening. Right, and then this is another Easter one, I think. It gives kind of Easter colours, doesn't it? This one's called Joyful. I don't think I need to open this one. It's not got any sequins and stuff in it. It's just all different colour, mixed hexes, all different size. I say different colour, it's not. It looks like green, pink, and maybe yellow or blue. Yeah, they're all like, you know, the transparent iridescent mix hex, I'd say that is. Yeah, that one's called Joyful. Cool. Cool. Right, and look at this one. This one's called Vibrance Sequin Mix. Again, I don't think I need to open this one. You can see. Look at these. It's got white and orange flowers. And then it's got these like yellow, different shaped flowers. And it's got purple rhombus, purple hexes. And then it's got these like gold dots. And these are all completely matte. This whole mix is completely matte. I thought that's quite cool, different, isn't it? Oh, it's got pink flowers in it as well. Pink ones. Really, really unique that. I've not seen anything like that. I've not seen anything like that. It's really, really cool. I like it. Yeah, that's called Vibrance Sequin Mix. Right, next we've got this. This is just one of her fine iridescent and it's called Barbie Pink. Excuse me. Yeah, it's more like a coral, that, isn't it? It's a beautiful colour. I really like the colour of that. I do. It's more like a coral to me than a Barbie Pink. I like it. I like it a lot. Right, then we've got these. These are called Rainbow Drops. And they are all just different colour slightly iridescent. Would you say they're iridescent? Or just shiny? Not sure. But they're quite cool, aren't they? I like them. I've got some of these, but mine are smaller. I haven't got them in this size, so I like them. Right, we've got some foil. This one is called Pink Floral Hedge. Let's have a nosy. In fact, let's just rip it open. Yeah, I'm still not sure how I feel about these little rolls of foil. I like them when they come off in one piece like that. I don't mind them. Right, yeah, so this is called Floral Hedge. That's quite dainty, isn't it? And cute. That'd look beautiful on a pale, pale pink nail. I like that. That's very cute. So there's that one. Let's keep that with it because I'll forget what it's called. Right, this one is called Pansy. Pansy. See if this one will come off in one go as well. What do you reckon? Nope. I'm saying nope. I can tell already. Oh, I don't know. Yeah. So this one's called Pansy. Oh, look at that. I'm not a flowery person, but I like that. I don't know why, because normally I wouldn't like things like that. I think it's the colours and the shapes. Because it's bold. I quite like that. I do. I like it. So that's Pansy, that one. Pansy. Right, quickly, we've got these. These are hot pink 3mm gems. I love the colour shift on these. Can you see that colour shift? It always ends up more upside down than what they does. Look, they all look upside down, and they all look upside down on that side, so what's going on? But anyway, you can see the colour shift. I really like them. I do. I like the colour shift on them. They're going to be nice for summer, aren't they? She's got all different colour ones of these as well. Purple, blue, green. Yeah, they're going to be nice for summer, they are. Right, lastly, quickly, we've got 3 more things. We've got these. These are, I think these are called mermaid gems. Mermaid or unicorn? I think they're called mermaid gems or unicorn gems. I can't remember. But there's like green ones, blue ones, pink ones. They've all got a slightly different colour shift. And look, that's my pinky. They are teeny weeny little things. Gorgeous them. I really like them. Right, then we've got these little flowers. Tiny little things. I've never bought these because I thought they were bigger than that. But now I know they're that small, I'm going to go and get the other colours. I think she's got these in yellow as well. Yeah, they're a lot smaller than I thought they were. I like them. Cute. Again, brilliant for summer and spring actually. They'd be nice for spring. Right, and lastly, look! Teeny weeny little bunny heads again. They are tiny, look. Oh, I like them. I'm going to give them a name. They're too cute to not have a name, aren't they? What shall we call them? I don't know. I can't think off the top of my head what we should call them. But we'll think of something. Oh, she's got loads of Easter gems in at the minute. Really, she's got other different little bunnies and stuff as well. So yeah, definitely go over and check out some of her new Easter stuff. Remember, I've got a discount code as well. It's always on the screen. And the link to the website is always in my description box. But yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel with your notifications turned on so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.